It is now my honor to install OGR's 2020-2021 president, Mary Flynn Steele. Mary Steele has worked at Arnett and Steele Funeral Home since 1987 and has been a licensed funeral director and embalmer since 1991. She is a certified funeral service practitioner, certified pre-need counselor, and certified crematory operator. Arnett and Steele Funeral Home has participated in the NFDA Pursuit of Excellence program continually since 1996. Mary served as the first woman president of the Funeral Directors Association of Kentucky in 2012. She currently serves on several OGR committees, including finance and membership, and Mary was the recipient of the NFDA Initiative Reward in 2007. Mary has been married to Jay Steele since 1977, and they have a son, Jason, and Jessica, who works in the funeral home with her, and a daughter, Margaret, who is a forensic toxicologist with the Louisiana State Police Crime Laboratory in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Jay and Mary have granddaughters, Thean, 16, and Nadine, 14, and a grandson, Blaze, 5 months old tomorrow, who keep their lives active. Mary, I am proud to be installing you today as OGR's new president. Please raise your right hand and respond to the following. Do you, Mary, solemnly affirm that you will strive to the best of your ability to carry out the duties and responsibilities of the office to which your professional associates have elected you, that you will uphold the bylaws of the International Order of the Golden Rule, and that you will, at all times, endeavor to fulfill the highest personal and professional standards of which you are capable? If so, please answer, I will.
I will.
And by the authority vested in me, I hereby declare you officially installed as President of the International Order of the Golden Rule. Your duties and responsibilities begin immediately, and congratulations. And Mary, that marks the beginning of your presidency, will be mailed to you in the coming months. And again, congratulations.
Thank you. Mark said I needed to say a few words, and I'm not a long-winded person. I just want to tell you what an honor it is to serve as president of OGR, and I certainly am humbled by the confidence that everyone has in me to do this. I know we've got a lot of stressful things to deal with in the next few months as we continue to deal with this COVID crisis, and we need to get through that and get back to a new normal. I just want everyone to know that I really appreciate all your input and all your help, and I'm always available anytime anyone has anything that they need to talk to me about or wants to talk to me about. And again, thank you very much for allowing me to be your president. That's it. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mary, and thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Congratulations.